yeah, it's a good flatty. That's a fish, is it? Oh yeah. Oh, got some serious weight to it. Beautiful specimen, just raring to go. See you, bud. What's going on, guys? Scaled back Sydney fishing here with another episode kayak trolling in Sydney Harbour. Got a bit of an overcast spring day here in Sydney, but aside from that the conditions are pretty good. The pressure's still high and the temperature is still quite warm. I'm expecting there to be a few good fish around. So I've just got the last of the run out tide. As you can see behind me here, it has gotten pretty low, so I'm just going to get some new lures on. Shout out to Atomic Tackle and Frogley's Offshore who have sent me some new toys to try out, and we're going to see if we can pick anything up along the flats before I head down the river later in the day to see what's around. So stay tuned and let's see if we can get some good fish. So I'm going to start off today with some Atomic Hards 95mm slim twitchers on both sides. So I've got the muddy prawn. Those who follow my channel will know that this is one of my favourite varieties in all their lure shapes and sizes. And then on the other side I have the pilchard variety, which I've never used before but looks pretty realistic. I think it'll go quite well. Oh, yep, that's a fish. Not a big fish, but something's had a hit. Oh, little flatty. First fish on the slim twitcher. The lure's about half its size, so... Oh, and there he goes. Oh! They're on here. On the pilchard. Oh, what is this? Tailor, is it? Yes, nice tailor on the pilchard here. Pretty solid. Not a bad fish, that. Get a quick measure on him here. It's about 36, I think. Looks bigger. It's a decent tailor. Good bait, that one. We'll let him go. So not much success on the flat, so I'm going to switch over to the trusty old Gold Wolf in a 75 Atomic Hard Shiner double deep range. And the brown ghost gill, also in the Atomic Hard Shiner 75 double deep range. Sort of just going to all my favourite haunts along the river where I often catch fish. Where I more consistently catch fish, I should say. All the little holes and drop-offs and pockets where the big fish like to sit, I do always target. Just going to run this boat line. See if we can pick up a big lizard or more. On a fish here. Feels decent too. Oh yeah, it's a good flatty. Just gonna come around my other rod here. Content with this boat. Oh yeah, good fish, real good fish. Another big lizard. Looks in the 60s maybe. Good start to the day. Come up on the ghost gill. Just lipped him there. It's a really nice fish. Oh yeah, that's a big Lizzie. Try and get a measure on him. He's gone, let's say, 63. Wow, what a lovely fish. Gonna let him go here. Absolutely beautiful specimen. Sydney Harbour lizard. And he's off. What's up, boys?
You're not scaled back fishing, are you?
That's me.
Oh, how are you, mate?
Good, yourself?
Not too bad, love the channel.
Thanks.
Had some luck today, or?
I got a big flatty, well, decent one, 63.
Nice on the goal.
Yeah, just over there. But yeah, I'm just gonna drift down now.
We'll see you around, eh?
Have a good one. Cheers. Oh, that's a fish, is it? We are on. What do we got here? Oh, feels alright. Feels like a big flatty. Oh yeah, look at that. That was a massive flatty. Just about to eat my lunch. Oh wow. On the Gold Wolf, big slab of flatty. Try to have a drink and some food. Oh yeah, he's a good fish. See there on the Gold Wolf. There's a little beach over here, I might go have a measure of him. Pretty much. Let's say a 60. It's gone 60. Very nice fish. So beautiful big lizard there. Gonna let it go swim off now. Nice 60 centimetre, just rearing to go. Oh, maybe not that way. Come on. Yeah, there you go, out that way. See you, bud. Got one! Oh yeah! That's the Dewey. On the go skill. Comes good again. Oh, a little baby one. Just a mini. Baby Soapy. Alright, we'll put him back. Oh, here we go. Going off. Ew, on the ghost gill again. Wow, this lure. If you don't have one, get one. Atomic hard shiner, 75mm, double deep diving ghost gill. Cleans up juice for fun, even with your other line all over it. This one's a bit bigger. Still just a soapy. And a bit bigger than the last soapy. Another beautiful little river soapy. Seen better days this one, so we'll let him go. See you, bud. Oh, another one. Oh. Missed it. What a beautiful Sydney evening. Absolutely prime time for a Jewy. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. This is a good fish. It's got some serious weight to it. Spat me. Fuck. Wow. There we go, that line again. Big heavy flatty, I reckon. Like a really big flatty.
Any luck?
Yeah, I got a couple of soapies.
You got a few?
2. They were both pretty small, but still good fun. What about you guys? Any luck?
No, it was pretty dead out there, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like really bad. Shockingly.
Have you got a line out? Yeah.
Yeah. I'll wait till you go past and then I'll start again.
Too easy. Good luck.
Alright, you too. We'll see you out.
Take it easy. I finally got it. Gone back around and I think I've hooked onto it here. Definitely feels like a Jewy. Oh, what is this? Yes, it's another little silver slab. On the gold wolf. I don't think that was the same one I had last time. The one before felt a lot bigger. Another beautiful little slab of silver just after dusk here. A lovely fish. I'll let him go this side. Well guys, that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We managed to get a few nice fish, including a couple of flathead over 60 centimeters and a few soapies or juvenile jewfish later in the day. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments if there's anywhere in Sydney you want me to try out or any different lures you want me to have a go at. I'm open to suggestions. So thanks for watching and bye for now.